Hello students. Today we are going to learn about another physical quantity, that is power. To understand this concept, let us see one example. Ram and Sham are two brothers. They are using staircase to reach at their home. There are total 50 staircases to go up. Ram took 5 minutes to reach at home and Sham took 4 minutes to reach the home. In this example, both Ram and Sham doing the same amount of work, but they took different time intervals to complete the work. Then students, can you tell me who has more power, Ram or Sham? Yes, Sham has more power than Ram because Sham took less time to complete the same work as that of Ram. Then what is the power? Power is related with two quantities, that is work and time. Therefore, the definition of power is rate of doing work is called power. Power is denoted by letter P. Therefore, mathematical expression is P is equal to W upon T. MKS unit of work is joule and MKS unit of time is second. Therefore, the MKS unit of power is joule per second, which is also called watt. There are some more units of power. First unit is horsepower. In an ancient time, horsepower is an unit of power. 1 horsepower is equal to the work done in lifting 550 pounds of weight at 1 foot in 1 second. Therefore, 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts. This conversion is used for solving examples. Another commercial unit of power is kilowatt hour. Work and energy are the similar physical quantities because where there is a work, we require energy. The expression for power is equal to energy divided by time. Therefore, energy equal to power multiplied by time. To calculate the unit of energy, we require unit of power and unit of time. Therefore, unit of energy is equal to kilowatt multiplied by hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit. In our electricity bill, this unit is mentioned. 1 unit means 1 kilowatt hour energy. We have to pay according to these units. In India, Electricity Board charges 3 rupees to 12 rupees per unit. Our electricity board uses commercial unit, that is kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit. 1 kilo means 10 raised to 3 watt and 1 hour gives us 3600 seconds. Therefore, we get 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 joules. It is the commercial unit of power. Here is one example. An electric heater of 1000 watt is used for 3 hours a day. What is the cost of using it for a month of 25 days? Unit cost rupees 4. Here we have power is equal to 1000 watt, which is converted into kilowatt. is equal to 1 kilowatt. Time is equal to 3 hours per day. There are 25 days in a month. Therefore, 25 multiplied by 3 hours, we get 75 hours time. Cost per unit is 4 rupees. Energy is equal to power multiplied by time. Therefore, energy is equal to 1 kilowatt multiplied by 75 hours. We get energy is equal to 75 kilowatt hour, which is equal to 75 units. To calculate cost of 75 units, we have to multiply 75 units by 4 rupees. Total cost is equal to 300 rupees.